technical difficulties. Apparently this live is not working. Hopefully this is saving. Oh, man. Breakaway here, but we've got at least one defense to stop this puck. No! Okay, I guess that went in. Voyagers just made a goal. Oh. I'm still a bit frazzled by that because I didn't think that went in, but